got exciting stuff going on this channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. I got another haul, and it's a Temu haul. There's really not much else to say. Let's just get right into it. Let's go. So we're gonna start off basic. I got this long sleeve black crop top. The material is very soft. It's polyester and spandex. It does seem like this material will catch like those lengths. But yeah, anyways, to the top. The black crop tops that I got, one's like off the shoulder and then one's up here. So I needed one that was like this. For girls that get it, and the ones that don't, I understand, because it really doesn't make sense. It's not necessary at all. There's nothing special in the back. And you can see like the dust particles. Wow! I don't have much to say about this top because it's pretty basic. I'm gonna try on the next thing. Honestly, I can wear this to the gym. That's why this top is multi-purpose. Not every piece of clothing got that quality. Next, I'll be trying on this skirt. First of all, before I even open it, look how cute that is. That little bedazzle there. Mind you, it doesn't have that little gap. It's shorter in the back than it is in the front. The front is mad long. I'm assuming for when you sit, they were thinking ahead. They weren't thinking about here when you sit. They were definitely thinking about this when you sit. And that's important. But like, you hear that? Look how stretchy this skirt is. That doesn't make any sense. I'm shocked, flabbergasted. It's cute. This skirt, fire. Enough with the skirt. The next thing I have to try on is this jean jacket. It's like a mini cropped jean jacket. It got the rips in it. It's super cropped. Ooh. Can this go together? Yes or no? This is, hold up, look at the little, this is cute. And mind you, it's like, it's kind of thin. It's not as thick as other jean jackets, but it's still thick. Huh? I don't know how to explain it. It's 90% visco. What's visco? And 10% polyester. So Google what visco is, and then that's what this is. Can't be jean. Look how cute. I love it. But this skirt is crazy. This looks fire. I love it. Good choice, Troy. Good choice. Good choice, Troy. Good choice. Good choice, Troy. Good choice. The detail is fire. I like the placement. It's cute. The little rips. All that. Jean goes with everything. Well, not everything. I take that back. They went off. They went off with this one. On to the next. Next thing I'm going to try on is a two-piece black jumpsuit. Also an essential. This haul is very much so about essentials. Staple pieces. So yeah, the hoodies are cropped and it's a zip up. These are the pants. This is definitely the material where fabric or whatever, dust, I don't know, will get attached to it. Minus 10,000 points. But let's see if it hit. For proof, already pieces from the jacket, which should the pieces from the jacket be falling off? Granted, how much I paid for it, it's like, all right, yeah. Pieces already getting attached to this and pieces already coming off of that. Keep that in mind. This is an essential. First of all, it's all black, easy to match, but like, OMG, hello? Yes, it's that material that stuff gets attached to, but like, it's so comfortable. This is so comfortable. It's like cushiony. It's like cushiony. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, the hoodie's a little weird. The hoodie's cool, change of heart. Here's what it looks like all together. This is cute. You could also, I'm probably gonna wear it like this with like a little something. Next, I have to try on are these two tank tops. I'm gonna try on both of them, even though they're the same exact thing. I got the tank tops that came in packages. Oh my God. I got one of the tank tops that came in packages, this being a set.
This is the first tank top. It's pretty basic. The material is mad soft. It's comfortable, all that good stuff. It's definitely something you should have in your closet. I can't really say much about this top because it's literally a basic tank top. And yeah, it is super white.
The white that you're catching on camera is probably the same white that it is in person. It's like a really clean white. And yeah, show you the back. Cause like, why not? Backs of tank tops be different. So now I'm gonna try on the black one. This is the other tank top. Ooh, the same exact look, just in black. This is it. I could do a close-up since I didn't do one with the white shirt. OMG. No, got deodorant on it. Pretend you don't see that. Bruh, I be getting deodorant stains on everything. Ignore that. I hope you guys enjoyed my Temu haul. If you guys would like to see more videos, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.